Fishing videos back in, and my mate Josh is there. He's on pole, float fishing. Can I see it? No. There it is. Oh, I just missed one, guys. Do you see that, guys? He's got one, mate. Guys, he's got one. Let me show you how to net it, guys. I already got reaching in the net. Look, guys, we already caught that earlier. Now, look, another one there. Look, guys, two in the net now. With sweet corn in its mouth. Look, guys. This is how float fishing at the best. It's barbless, guys. Bear with me. There you go. Look, guys. One roach is there, one roach is there. It's not dead, by the way. Look. Nice, two roach. I'll give you another video later on if I catch any more. Peace, guys.